ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीवेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। Namaskar and welcome back to Amarabharati Sanskrita YouTube channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 6 textbook Sanskrit. In that, the Shatha Patha, lesson number 6, Saha eva Mahaan Chitrakaarah. Sa eva Mahaan Chitrakaarah means he is the only great artist. Who is he? We will see later in this lesson. We now look at this lesson along with an English explanation. So we see a garden being shown here in this lesson in front of a big building, and this we recognize as the Amrita Udyanam, the garden at Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the place where the President of India resides. So in front of this Rashtrapati Bhavan in the premises is a garden called Amrita Udyanam, and that's what we see here. There's a small introduction which we see now. Udyanasya chitram upari pradarshitam. The picture of a garden is shown above, which we saw in the previous page. Etat Rashtrapati Bhavanasya parisare vidyamanam Amrita Udyanam asti. This is the Amrita Udyanam, the Amrita garden in the premises of the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Atra Shata Adhika Prakarakani Patala Pushpani Santi. Shata Adhika means here are more than 100 varieties of Patala Pushpa means rose flowers. 100 varieties of rose flowers, more than that, are present in this garden. Samanyataha Pancha Sahasra Adhikani Ritu Pushpani Cha Santi. And generally there are more than Pancha Sahasra means 5,000. Pancha Sahasra Adhika means more than 5,000. Ritu Pushpani means seasonal flowers, means flowers which come in different seasons of the year. Ramaniyaha Nisargaha Vividhaihi Varnaihi Sarvesham Chittam Akarshati. Ramaniyaha Nisargaha means beautiful nature. Sarvesham Chittam Akarshati means attracts everybody's minds. How? Vividhaihi Varnaihi, through its different, variegated colors. Tadrishanam Varnanam Parichayam Asmin Pathe Prapnumaha. Let us get introduced to such colors in this particular lesson. This lesson is in the form of a conversation between students and their teacher. We now go to the lesson. Shikshakaha, teacher says, Vayam atra kim pashyamaha. What do all of us see here? Atra, here, what are all of us seeing right now is what the teacher is asking. Shraddha says, Sarvatra vividhani pushpani. We see iti pashyamaha. We see that. What do we see? Everywhere are various flowers. Vividhani pushpani. Various types of flowers. Haritani parnani. Green leaves. Khagaha means birds. Jantavaha and animals. We see that everywhere there are various flowers, green leaves, and birds and animals. Shikshakaha, teacher says, Satyam, true, yes. Evameva tesham varnaha api vividhaha. Evameva, in a very similar way, tesham varnaha, their colors api vividhaha are also varied, which means there is a multitude of colors. Yatha Shraddha vadati, just as Shraddha told just now. Haritani parnani iti atra parnasya kaha varnaha. She said haritani parnani. Here, what is the color of a leaf? What is the meaning of the Harita Varna? Harita means, what is the meaning of Harita is what the teacher is asking. Then Chatraha Sarve Haritaha. All the students say Harita means green. Shraddha says, Atra vrikshasya upari shuka asti. Vrikshasya upari means on top of the tree. Shuka means is a parrot. Saha api haritavarnena shobhate. That also shines in green color. Shikshaka, teacher says, Shraddhe, O Shraddha, Tava ishtavarnaha haritaha iti chintayami. I guess that your favorite color is green. Ata eva haritavarnam eva pashyasi khalu. Therefore you indeed see only green color. You predominantly, your eyes can capture only, your mind can capture only green color is what the teacher is telling Shraddha. Next further, Medha says, Acharya, O teacher, Atra kakaha api asti. Here is also a crow. Kaka means crow. Yasya varanaha krishnaha, whose color is Krishna, means black. Evam pikasya api varanaha krishna. Similarly, in a similar way, the cuckoo color is also black. The cuckoo's color is also black. Shikshaka, teacher says, yes. Uttamam nirikshanam bhavatyaha. Very nice observation of yours. Chhatraha, O students. Pashyantu, look. Atra pushpani api santi. Here flowers are also present. Manisha, O Manish. Pashyatu japa pushpam. Look at this hibiscus flower. Japa pushpam is hibiscus flower. Vadatu asya varanaha kaha. Tell me what is its color. Manisha says, Rakta varanaha Acharya. Red color. Rakta means red color, O teacher. Shukasya chanchuhu api rakta varana. The beak of a parrot is also of red color, red hue. Patala pushpam api raktavarnena yuktam. The rose is also endowed with red color. Shikshakaha, teacher says, Shobhanam. Very good. Chitravarnaha shukaha api atra santi iti janasikim. Janasiki means, do you know this, that parrots of different or various hues or colors are also there, are also present. Do you know that? Aditya says, Acharya, te kidrishaha bhavanti. How will they be to look at? Means how are they to see? Vayam drashtum ichhamaha. We desire to see them. Further, Shikshakaha, tadrishan shukan vayam prayaha jantushalayam pashyamaha. We possibly see those kind of parrots in a jantushala. It's a mrigalaya, it's a zoo. Like a macaw parrot, if you can know. Macaw parrots have multiple colors, multiple hued parrots. Tesham pakshaha nilaha pitaha raktaha cha bhavanti. Their wings, paksha means wings, their wings will be nila means blue, pita means yellow, and rakta means red. So macaw parrots have different hues of feathers. Their wings are multicolored. Then Manjul says, Acharya, O teacher, Patala pushpani api vividha varnayuktani bhavanti. Rose flowers will also be of various hues, various shades, various colors. Mama udyane, in my garden, Pita varnani, Shweta varnani. Pita varnani here is yellow colored, roses of yellow color. Shweta varnani is white color. Neela lohita varnani means purple color, and kesara varnani or saffron color or orange color. Cha patala pushpani santi are roses of these different colors. Shikshaka, teacher says, Uttamam, very good. Pashyantu hamsaha shvetaha. Look, a white swan. Look at a white swan here. Tatha anyeke shveta varnaha. Anyeke shveta varnaha. In the same way, which else are of white color? Medha says, Acharya, Bakaha Shashahacha. Baka is a stork, or teacher, stork, and Shasha is a rabbit, are both white in color. Tatha Bhavataha Pravarakam api shvetam. And similarly, your coat is also white in color. Medha is telling her teacher. So he has used the word Bhavataha. Bhavataha means you are respectfully. Tava, if we say, we tell it with a normal person like a friend, we say tava, but when you tell to an elder, to a teacher, an elderly person, then we say bhavataha, respectfully told. Next, Shikshaka, teacher says, Aham, yes, Samyak, good, very good. Sarve swasya anyeshancha vastranam varnan avalokayantu. Everyone, look at the colors of their clothes and also of the other people's clothes, other students' clothes. Manjul says, Acharya, our teacher, Indradhanuhu tu bahuvarnamayam khalu. The rainbow is indeed of multiple hues, multiple colors. Tatra saptavarnaha bhavanti. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Shikshakaha says, teacher says, yes. Sarvaha api nisargaha bahu varnamayaha. Everything in nature is multicolored, multi-hued. Tena samsaraha sundaraha. By this, the world is beautiful. Sundara means beautiful. Samsara is the world. Varnaihi eva asmakam jivanam api manoramam bhavati. Only by colors will our lives become manorama, beautiful or pleasant. Tatra varnayochakaha chitrakaraha kaha iti jananti kim. Here or there, we can say there. Who varnayojakaha chitrakaraha? Who is the artist? Chitrakara means artist. Varnayojaka, who arranges these colors. Who is the artist who has arranged all these colors? Iti jananti kim. Do all of you know this? Sarve vadanti, everybody says, Uchaihi, loudly. Parameshwaraha means Parameshwara. The Lord, Supreme Lord is the person, Supreme Lord, Lord God is the person who has arranged all these colors, multiple colors in this creation, in this beautiful creation. Shikshaka, teacher says, Saha eva Mahaan Chitrakaarah. He indeed is the great artist. So he, whatever we saw in the title, Saha eva Mahaan Chitrakaarah, he is representing Parameshwara, Paramatma, that is the Supreme Lord. Now we see some pictures of these animals and birds in your textbook, which I have shown you here. And there are some words and meanings which you have to see. Haritani is green. Hasiru banna davugalu in Kannada. Parnani is leaves. Yalegalu. Jantavaha is animals. Pranigalu. Khagaha is birds. Hakkigalu. Varnamayaha is colorful. Varnaranjita, Varnamaya in Kannada. Shukaha is parrot, guinea. Ishtavarnaha, favorite color, Ishtavada Banna. Kakaha is crow, Kage. Pikaha is cuckoo, Kogile. Japa Pushpam is hibiscus, Dasavalada, Huvu. Chanchuhu is beak, Kokku. Raktaha is red, Kempu Banna. Neelaha is blue, Neeli Banna. Further, Pitaha is yellow, Haladi Banna. Pakshaha is wing, it says. Rekkegalu, Pakshaha is Bahuvachanam, so it is actually wings. It's not wing, it's wings, plural. Jantushala is a zoo, is a Mrigalaya. Patala Pushpam is rose, which is a Gulabi Huvu. Shvetam is white, which is Pili Banna. Neelalohitam is purple, which is Neelalohita Banna. Kesaram is saffron or orange, Kesari Banna. Patalam is pink, which is Gulabi Banna. Hamsaha is swan, which is Hamsa. Bakaha is crane, which is Kokkare. Shashaha is rabbit, which is Mala. And Pravarakam is coat or Kotu, Kavacha or Angi Kavacha. Now, there are some additional points told in your textbook which we will see now. Your textbook talks about this Amarakoshaha, which is one of the very first thesauruses in the world, where synonyms, Sanskrit synonyms, are told in verse form. That was the speciality of our ancient Indian writers, who used to write everything in word form. Mathematical formula, the formula for the pi, the 3.1415926 number, irrational number, pi is also told in the verse form in the Aryabhatiyam by Aryabhata. In a similar way, we have a thesaurus, which is a collection of synonyms in Sanskrit in the form of the Amarakoshaha, which is available from Chaukamba Press in Varanasi. And a Kannada translation of that is available. Amarasimhana, it is written by Amarasimha. Amarasimhana Namalinga Anushasana Athava Amarak Kosha. And this is we have the translation for this by Vidwan Dr. N. Ranganatha Sharma, which I'll show you some parts of it right now. So the thesauruses are told in the form of verses or shlokas, which we see some parts of it now. This is from the Dhi Varga of the Amarak Kosha. Shukla Shubhra Shuchishvetaha Vishadashyeta Pandaraha Avadatasito Gauro Valaksho Dhavalo Arjunaha. All these words, Shukla, Shubhra, Shuchi, Shveta, all these things mean white color. These are all synonyms for white color as found in the Amarak Kosha. So we see a verse telling all synonyms for white. Harinaf Panduraf Pandurishat Pandustu Dhusaraha Krishne Nilasita Kalashyamala Mechakaha. The first half of this shloka is telling yellow mixed white. Dhusaraha is actually grey color. Whereas second half, Krishna, Neela, Sita, Shama, these are all synonyms for the color black. Next. Pito, Gauro, Haridrabha. These three are the first quarter of this particular shloka is yellow. Palasho, Harito, Harit. Second quarter is green. Lohito, Rohito, Raktaha is red. Shonaha, Kokana, Dachavihi is crimson color. Next. Yaktaragastvarunaha. First quarter is reddish brown. Shveta Raktastu Patalaha. Second quarter is pale red. Shyavasyat Kapisho Dhumraha Dhumalau Krishna Lohite. Second half tells about brown, dark red and purple. Kadara Kapilaf Pingaha Pishangau Kadru Pingalau. First half is a tawny kind of color, which is a mixture of red, brown and so on. Chitram Kirmira Kalmasha Shabalaita Chakarbure. These are varied colors. Second half is telling variegated colors. How did I get all the names of these colors here? This is from the same book which I told you, the Kannada translation, which is Amarasimhana Namalinganushasana Athava Amarak Kosha by Dr. Mahapadhyaya Vidwan Dr. N. Ranganatha Sharma, whose picture is shown here. And he has translated the whole thing into Kannada. You can see the colors here, grey, the same shlokas, Shuklaha, Shubhraha, all these things are coming here. Grey, crimson, reddish brown, pale red, brown, tawny and so on. That's where I've taken these the colors from. I'm sure you will find the translations of the Amarak Kosha in your own native language also. I showed you the Hindi translation which is coming, it's from Chitrakaarah Press in Varanasi. Well, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the exercise part of the same lesson. Sahaeva Mahaan Chitrakaarah. YouTube Amarabharati Samskrita. Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.